Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the truck and trailer. Secure the hitch, plug in the wiring, and verify lights. Do it now so nothing interrupts the assist. Once connected, sit in the driver's seat, go to sync settings, and enable trailer assist and the rear camera. This primes the system to guide steering. Make sure the trailer is level and chains hooked, then select the trailer profile if prompted. This tells the system vehicle trailer geometry for accurate steering commands. You now align and engage. Position the truck and trailer roughly centered behind your intended backing line, keeping the hitch aimed toward the path. Once aligned, shift into reverse and press the trailer assist engage button. The system takes control of steering while you modulate brake and throttle. On the touchscreen, tap to set the backup target or path and adjust angle or sensitivity if available. This refines how sharply the system will steer the trailer into position. You finish by trusting the system but staying ready. Release the steering and use only brake and throttle. The truck steers the trailer for you. Once the trailer is aligned, come to a complete stop, shift to park, and disengage trailer assist. Then secure the jack and safety chains. If the trailer drifts or the path is inaccurate, stop and recalibrate the rear camera, verify tire pressures and hitch connections, or reselect the correct trailer profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.